Set colorbar range in Matplotlib. I have the following code. So this produces a graph of the values v on the axes x versus y, using the specified color map. The x and y axes are perfect, but the color map spreads between the min and max of v. I would like to force the color map to range between 0 and 1. I thought of using to set the ranges of the axes, but this only takes arguments for the min and max of x and y, not the color map. Edit. For clarity, let's say I have one graph whose values range 0, 0.3, and another graph whose values 0.2, 0.8. In both graphs, I will want the range of the color bar to be 0, 1. In both graphs, I want this range of color to be identical using the full range of dict above, so 0.25 in both graphs will be the same color. In the first graph, all colors between 0.3 and 1.0 won't feature in the graph, but will in the color bar key at the side. In the other, all colors between 0 and 0.2, and between 0.8 and 1 will not feature in the graph, but will in the color bar at the side.
Not sure if this is the most elegant solution, this is what I used. But you could scale your data to the range between 0 to 1 and then modify the color bar. With the two different limits you can control the range and legend of the color bar. In this example only the range between -0.5 to 1.5 is shown in the bar, while the color map covers -2 to 2, so this could be your data range, which you record before the scaling. So instead of scaling the color map you scale your data and fit the color bar to that.
Using min and vmax forces the range for the colors. Here's an example.
Use the clim function, equivalent to cax's function in MATLAB.
Using figure environment and .set_clim. Could be easier and safer this alternative if you have multiple plots. A single color bar. The best alternative is then to use a single color bar for the entire plot. There are different ways to do that. This tutorial is very useful for understanding the best option. I prefer the solution that you can simply copy and paste instead of the previous visualizing color bar part of the code. PS. I would suggest using per color mesh instead of p-color because it is faster. More info's here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.